So far we have talked about basic fundamentals related to Six Sigma and Lean. And what we understood so far was that in Six Sigma we do improvement projects. So any improvement is achieved project by project. And these projects are led by a certain member of the team. Some of the projects, as we earlier said, could be led by a Six Sigma green belt, a black belt. But then the question comes, what are these belts? Since you are doing a yellow belt course, so let's understand the role of yellow belt in Six Sigma hierarchy. So in Six Sigma hierarchy, at the bottom you have Six Sigma yellow belt, and many times you have even Six Sigma white belt at the bottom of this. So Six Sigma white belt is for everyone in the organization, just to know about the basic fundamentals related to Six Sigma. But once you are serious about Six Sigma, then the first belt which you achieve in Six Sigma is the yellow belt. The role of yellow belt is to support the projects which are led by green belt or the black belt. Six Sigma green belt or a Six Sigma black belt will be leading the project depending on the size, depending on the complexity. Six Sigma green belt will lead a medium complexity project, and a Six Sigma black belt will lead a more complex project. Six Sigma Master Black Belt is basically overall in charge of Six Sigma in the organization. Six Sigma Master Black Belt, if they are doing project, that will be a very complex and a high level project. But most of the times the projects are led by green belt or the black belt. Now the role of yellow belt is to participate in these projects as team members. And they need to learn about the Six Sigma tools, because since they are member of the group, member of the team which is doing this project, they need to have some basic understanding of Six Sigma concepts and Six Sigma tools. And as a team member, they communicate with the other team members. They help in data collection. So if they are working in a particular area and if they are required to collect the data related to a certain process, they help the team in that, and they demonstrate the knowledge of some basic improvement tools. So that's what is expected from a Six Sigma yellow belt. So in summary, yellow belt supports project as a team member. So now if your question is that in addition to yellow belt, we have green belt, black belt, what are their roles and what all other members we have in Six Sigma system, Six Sigma hierarchy? Let's look at that Six Sigma hierarchy in the next video.